4. Muscle don't work fast enough, nigga. 3, 2.
Bro, he's about to bite your ass off. Yup.
Hold on, stop it. I'll do it for him. Stop
Yeah,
it.
do it for him.
Please
do it for
stop.
him.
Please stop it, sir.
Hurry up,
Or
nigga.
Sir Dog.
Yeah. Now bark. Bark, nigga, bark. Louder. Put some bass in your voice, nigga.
Boy.
No, like this, nigga. Nah, not like that, bro. Bark like this shit right here, bro. Like you tweaking, bro. Like you know, you must not really. Yeah, you a good bitch, right?
I'm a good bitch.